Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial from BTFOOM. So today we're going to take a look at Google Search Console and how it can help you. There are a significant amount of times that WordPress gets hacked, and sometimes this can actually help you to find out the problem with the hack. Other times it can just help you with keeping your site ranking well from an SEO perspective, because it keeps you from having issues like errors. So here you can take a look, and it'll come through your email that you set up for your Google Search Console for any given property. So they'll send you emails when there's an issue, like this one. It'll go ahead and tell you something like coverage issue detected on, and I apologize for the blurring, but of course we blocked out what the actual site is. Okay, and it'll tell you the things, and it will give you a way to fix coverage issues. And when we go ahead and click this, it will open up the Google Search Console. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here we are inside of Google Search Console, and I'll put a link to this in the description below just in case you have never seen it before and do want to try signing up for it. When we come in here, it actually opens up from the email. It opens us up right on the coverage page. If not, you can always come over here and click on it. So that coverage page will show you where the page is and what the issue is. Now, to take you one step further, they actually help you with being able to solve this. So if you come down here to this section, and again, I apologize for the blurring, but this gives us a link to what this is the page that's the issue. And if we double click on this, it'll bring this up in the right hand side. And if we click on Inspect URL, okay, Google pulls this up, and here's a great part. And again, you can't see this because it's blurred. I understand that. But it'll tell you the referring page. And that referring page tells you, like in this case, there's a page that doesn't exist. Well, right, if a page doesn't exist, then we have a little tough time finding it because it doesn't exist. But we need to know which page is referring to that page, right? If you will, where's the link that's trying to send us to this broken page that doesn't exist, whatever the error is. So this referring page section right here tells us a lot. Once we can see this, and of course on yours, if this is the case, you'll actually see it, and you'll be able to go ahead and actually go to the page and then see, is it a problem with a link? Is it a problem with some kind of a referring that sends us to the other page? All right. So I hope this is helpful in checking out a little bit about how Google Search Console can help you to keep your website, especially like WordPress websites where they get hacked kind of easily with the plugins and the different themes and the different ability to have a known login page. Hopefully this helps you to be able to, number one, detect the errors before a hack really gets in there and does some destruction or puts a lot of, say, adult links on your site. So this can be helpful. It doesn't really replace all of the other spam detectors and malware detectors, but it is a good set in the fact that it's kind of an active thing. When you have set up Google Search Console, Google will shoot you an email and tell you, hey, there's an issue on your site. As always, Google isn't perfect and can send some errors where there are none, but overall it's probably a good helpful thing to be able to know, at least if you think there's an issue. In most cases they're right and there is an issue. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps. You can go ahead and subscribe so that you can get your next Tuesday tutorial. Thanks, and I hope this helps.